I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app you want on your laptop home area. This confirms the correct executable. Once the app is open, right-click its icon in the taskbar or in the Start menu. Choose Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Start depending on whether you want a fixed icon or a start tile. This locks the shortcut in place so it won't disappear after restart. Make sure you have admin or user permissions if the option is unavailable. Next, create a persistent desktop shortcut for apps that don't pin. Navigate to the app in the File Explorer or Start menu, then drag it to the desktop while holding the right mouse button, release and choose Create Shortcut. Alternatively, right-click the executable and use Send to Desktop, Create Shortcut. Once done, you can rename, group, or place shortcuts into a dedicated folder so they remain visible and won't be removed by cleanup utilities. Finally, lock the layout by disabling automatic cleanup tools and configuring system settings to preserve Start and desktop items. You should back up your Start layout or copy desktop shortcuts to a backup folder so you can restore them quickly. If an icon goes missing, repin or recreate the shortcut, and then restart Explorer. If problems persist, check for user profile corruption or group policy that resets the home screen. Those require admin fixes. One troubleshooting tip: sign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.